Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting problem in Windows. First method is type power options in Windows search bar. Click power and sleep settings. Click additional power settings. Click change plan settings. Click change advanced power settings. Click and expand wireless adapter settings. Click and expand power saving mode. Change to maximum performance. Click apply, OK. Second method is type services in Windows search bar. Click services. Open W1 Auto Config. Change to automatic. Start the service, click apply, OK. Open network connections. Change startup type to automatic. Stop and start the service. Click apply, OK. Restart system. Third method is type device manager in Windows search bar. Click device manager. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click disable and enable device. Click action, click scan for hardware changes. Restart system. Fourth method is type device manager in Windows search bar. Click device manager. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click uninstall device. Click uninstall. Click action, scan for hardware changes. Fifth method is type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type netsh space, int space, IP space, reset. Type netsh space, winsock space reset. Type ipconfig space /flush DNS. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.